In this video, I'm sharing with you a quick and easy recipe that's the perfect mix of salty and sweet and is absolutely addictive. Pour 3 bags of Chester's butter-flavored puff corn into the biggest bowl you can find. In another bowl, melt 1.5 pounds of white almond bark. This recipe can be broken down into smaller batches or even larger using the ratio of 1 bag of puff corn to 1/2 pound of almond bark. Pour the melted almond bark over the puff corn and stir until it's completely coated. Spread the mixture onto cookie sheets, then sprinkle with colored sprinkles. You'll want to add the sprinkles before the almond bark dries. Once the almond bark is hardened, break it up into pieces, put it in a bowl, and enjoy.